So hi folks, it's me Hristo, and I am starting to source again a little bit of stone about the Eco Cob house project. I've just been climbing the Sokolica rock formation nearby, nearby Pampolov ski resort. Check my previous videos to see where I was today. Very amazing, spectacular mountain panorama views. And now I checked, I observed some good stone around the road, and with my Audi A4 I'm gonna show you how I source stone. Of course, it's going to be a long process. I have put some blanket on the car seats. I need bigger stones, and this one is a little bit not very strong one. It's kind of sandstone, but you check the stones. Preferably this is kind of similar to granite. This is rhyolite rock. It's a reddish rock, very strong one. Not like the sandstone sometimes is not the strong one, depending how old it is, because some of the sandstones are also good for the purpose of building a house. Now here is the rhyolite. You see, this one is similar to granite. This is very good, very strong stone, and I'm gonna start putting something in my back of the car. But the thing is, I have some storage here and there. Okay,